Are you looking for ways to use tax-free investments to enhance your retirement portfolio and make sure you're maximizing your wealth before you retire? Many retirees overlook opportunities to grow their savings in tax-advantaged ways, which can make a significant difference in your overall wealth during retirement. Stick with me through this video, and I'll show you how to leverage these tax-free strategies and ensure you're setting yourself up for a more secure future. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description to get a free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to protect their savings from market volatility and inflation, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Now, let's get into the most effective tax-free investment options for your retirement. First off, the big one, Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, but once you retire, all of your withdrawals are tax-free. This is a game changer for retirees who want to avoid the tax burden of traditional retirement accounts like 401ks. With Roth IRAs, you're not just building wealth, you're doing it in a way that shields it from future taxes, which can really add up over the years. Next, let's talk about Roth 401ks. These are similar to Roth IRAs, but are often available through your employer. Just like the Roth IRA, your contributions are after tax, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. One of the key benefits of a Roth 401k is the higher contribution limits compared to a Roth IRA, allowing you to set aside more money for tax-free growth. You might be wondering though, what if you've already maxed out your Roth IRA or Roth 401k contributions? Well, that's where health savings accounts, HSAs, come in. If you're eligible for one, you can make tax-free contributions, let the money grow tax-free, and then withdraw it tax-free to cover medical expenses in retirement. It's like having a triple tax advantage. This makes HSAs an incredibly powerful tool to help protect your wealth while saving for retirement. Another tax-free investment option is municipal bonds. These are issued by state and local governments, and the interest income they generate is generally free from federal taxes, and sometimes even state and local taxes, depending on where you live. For retirees looking to generate income without worrying about tax penalties, municipal bonds can be a great addition to your portfolio. Now, while these tax-free options are great, let's not forget about one of the most effective and tax-efficient ways to protect your retirement savings: Gold IRAs. Unlike traditional IRAs, Gold IRAs allow you to hold physical gold and other precious metals, and they offer significant tax benefits. Gold tends to do well during times of economic uncertainty, and with a Gold IRA, you can enjoy tax-deferred growth while protecting your wealth from inflation and market downturns. If you're looking for a way to safeguard your retirement savings and protect them from volatility, a Gold IRA is by far one of the best options available. I highly encourage you to check out the free guide in the description to learn why thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs for financial protection. Let's wrap this up with a final point. If you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or if you're lucky enough to have 5M pluses in savings, it's more important than ever to protect your wealth in the most effective way possible. These tax-free investments, along with a Gold IRA, can give you the peace of mind that your wealth is secure, no matter what happens in the economy. Remember, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to access your free Gold IRA guide. Take action now, before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.